Why is it so hard to make damage numbers look good? You spend hours tweaking fonts, animation curves, and spawn positions, and they still feel flat. Say hello to Damage Numbers Pro. This asset gives you a complete damage number system with zero boilerplate. Drop in a prefab, configure the look, and you get smooth scaling, randomizing, and even hit-stop effects. The built-in animation library covers bounces, fades, and orbital loops, so every hit feels different. Setup is genuinely quick. You can have a working combat HUD in under 5 minutes. The inspector gives you color gradients, font size ranges, and lifetime curves all in one place. It plays nice with both mouse and mobile touch input. Over 140 reviews and almost a perfect 5-star average. One user said it saved them an entire weekend of frustration, and that's exactly the kind of relief we all need. It doesn't include a full health bar system or damage calculation logic. You'll still need to hook it into your own combat scripts, but that is a 5-minute wiring job. It's $4 today. That works out to under 3 cents per customizable element. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Grab Damage Numbers Pro. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets. Sort by dollars saved. See price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews. See comparable assets and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Let's be honest, URP can feel like the cheap seat sometimes. You want subsurface scattering, advanced parallax, or a gorgeous toon shader without switching pipelines. Lux URP Essentials delivers exactly that. This is a massive library of handwritten HLSL shaders and custom shader graph nodes. You get subsurface scattering, tessellation, wind effects, and a dynamic sky system. It fills the visual gap so your game can look premium without the overhead of HDRP. The sheer volume of content is incredible. Over 100 shaders covering terrain, water, vegetation, and even stylized outlines. The developer is super responsive and updates the package regularly, so it stays compatible with newer Unity versions. 4.6 stars from over 100 reviews. Users rave about the educational value. You can learn both shader graph and HLSL by studying how these shaders work. It is not a plug-and-play solution. The package is heavy and can throw warnings after Unity updates. You need some shader know-how to troubleshoot broken effects or optimize for your platform. Half off today, $12.50. For $5, you skip 40 hours of hand modeling shader code from scratch. That is insane ROI for any serious URP project. Writing a rigid body-based character controller from scratch is a rite of pain. Slope handling, moving platforms, ground snapping, it's a rabbit hole. Character Controller Pro hands you a production-ready foundation instead. It's a capsule-based dynamic rigid body controller that works in both 2D and 3D out of the box. You get proper slope limit handling, support for kinematic and dynamic moving platforms, and seamless ground snapping. The state machine architecture lets you layer in custom behaviors without spaghetti code. Extensibility is the star here. You can swap input systems easily, add climbing or wall running with a new state, and it plays nicely with root motion. The physics feel is professional from the start. 95 reviews averaging 4.47. Multiple reviews call the support fast and helpful. The developer answers email directly and even helps debug custom integrations. The demo scenes still use the legacy input manager, so you'll need to override inputs if you're on the new input system. Documentation is dense, not ideal for beginners who want a drag-and-drop hero. $14.50 today. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. This framework pays itself off the first time you reuse it on a new project. Empty scenes feel dead. You want floating dust, fireflies, magical sparkles, but building those VFX from scratch eats hours. Living Particles gives you a full toolkit of ready-to-use particle systems. The pack includes over 40 unique particle effects: fire, smoke, magic auras, glowing butterflies, and more. Each one is a prefab you can drop into any scene. They are optimized for URP with light DSR, so they look crisp without killing performance. Tweaking is painless. Every effect exposes color, emission rate, and size parameters. You can attach them to characters for healing auras or to environmental objects for ambient life. It's a huge time saver when polishing a demo. 81 reviews and a perfect 5 stars. One commenter said it transformed their game from empty to enchanting in under an hour. These are pre-made effects, not a VFX graph starter kit. If you need completely custom sequences with complex sub-emitters, you'll still need to build those yourself. $14.50 today. That's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket for a library that makes your entire scene feel alive. Emotional win, practical win. Creating icons for your inventory, UI, or store page usually means opening a separate app, lighting scene, and importing. That workflow is painful. RapidIcon generates high-quality icons directly inside the Unity editor. Select a folder of prefabs, choose camera angle, lighting, and overlays, then batch export everything to PNG up to 2048 pixels. You can create multiple variations per prefab with different poses or child visibility. The post-processing shaders add polish like bloom or outline strokes. The interface is intuitive, no learning curve. You can tweak ambient and directional light colors, apply HSV adjustments, and even animate objects for a spinning preview. It handles hundreds of models in one pass. 69 reviews with 4.81 stars. Users call it indispensable after upgrading their pipeline. They can't imagine going back to manual icon creation. Large batch jobs can eat memory if you're not careful, and default settings don't persist per prefab. Workaround: export smaller groups or save a profile script. $15 today. For that price, you skip days of manual renders in Photoshop. If one client project uses your icons, you've paid it off 100 times over. Starting an FPS project means writing shooting, reloading, inventory, and hit detection from scratch. That's weeks of work. FPS Framework 2.0 gives you a rock-solid foundation so you can focus on content. It includes a full weapon system with automatic and manual fire, reload animations, recoil patterns, and spread. The damage system supports limb detection and armor types. You get a modular inventory that handles ammunition swapping and equipment slots. The code is clean and documented. You can replace the default visuals with your own art without touching the core logic. It also supports multiplayer right out of the box, so you can prototype both single-player and co-op quickly. 74 reviews with a perfect 5-star rating. One dev said it shaved 3 months off their FPS prototype timeline. The demo scenes use placeholder assets, so your game won't look polished immediately. Expect to replace models and sounds, but that's standard for any framework. $12.50 today. Compared to hiring a freelance developer for a custom FPS base, this is a fraction of that cost, and you get a proven architecture. Business ROI that's hard to beat. Terrain grass in Unity usually looks flat and fake. You want fields that sway with wind and bend when walked through. The DirectX 11 grass shader renders individual blades on the GPU, giving you dense, beautiful grass. It generates blades per pixel using geometry shaders. You control density, height, color, and wind response. The interactive trample path system makes characters push grass aside in real time. It even works in VR when tuned properly. Setup is straightforward for a shader of this complexity. Paint grass where you want it with a terrain tool, or use splat maps. The shader integrates with Unity's lighting and fog, so your scene stays unified. 87 reviews with 4.44 stars. Many call it the best-looking grass asset on the store. It delivers that Breath of the Wild vibe. URP support is limited and often requires manual workarounds. It also has a steep learning curve if you want to optimize performance. Stick with built-in pipeline for best results or expect to tweak code. $15 today. That works out to less than 20 cents per grass blade. But seriously, the visual upgrade alone is worth double. A weekend project fuel for your open world. Static fog looks boring. You want mist that rolls through valleys, dissipates in sunlight, and thickens at dawn. Dynamic Fog and Mist 2 gives you full control over layered atmospheric effects. It supports multiple fog layers, each with its own density, color, and height. You can animate fog to move with wind parameters or tie it to a day-night cycle. The volumetric appearance is convincing without heavy post-processing cost. Integration is a drop-in. Attach the manager script, set your desired fog profile, and it just works. It's compatible with URP and built-in pipelines, and even works with terrains and custom meshes for localized mist. 62 reviews with a perfect 5 stars. Users praise the clean documentation and the developers' fast responses to questions. On very low-end mobile devices, you may need to reduce layer count to keep performance smooth, but on PC and console, it runs like a dream. $15 today. For the price of a pizza, you get a fog system that would take days to build from scratch, a clean drop-in for any atmospheric scene. Prototyping with cubes and cylinders is functional but ugly. You want fast iteration without the eyesore. Synty's Polygon prototype pack gives you clean, low-poly placeholders that are already art-directed. You get hundreds of modular pieces: walls, floors, pillars, ramps, and environment props like rocks and bushes. Everything snaps together in a consistent scale, so you can block out entire levels in minutes. The color palette is unified across all assets. It's perfect for level design jams or early vertical slices. The low poly style is intentionally minimal, making it easy to swap in final art later. You can also use it as the final style if you love the look. Many released games do exactly that. 75 reviews with 4.56 stars. The Synty brand is known for quality and consistent style across their huge catalog. This pack is no exception. These are simple shapes, not detailed high-poly assets. If you need realistic, organic environments, you'll want a different pack. But for blocking out mechanics fast, nothing beats it. $5 today. That's less than a coffee for a kit that saves you hours of gray box modeling. Weekend project fuel at a ridiculous price. "2D water can be a headache. Shaders, vertex displacement, foam textures. The game 2D Water Kit delivers beautiful wave animation, reflection, and interaction with almost zero effort. You get animated water surfaces that support depth-based color, foam generation at shorelines, and real-time reflection of the background. It responds to player or object collisions with splash effects and ripple rings. Perfect for platformers, top-down games, or fishing minigames. Setup is drag and drop onto a sprite. You can adjust wave speed, height, and frequency in the inspector. It's optimized for URP 2D renderer and works with both pixel-perfect and freeform cameras. 55 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating. Users love how quickly it transforms a flat blue rectangle into a living body of water. It only works in 2D, so if you need 3D water or flowing rivers across multiple Z levels, you'll need a different solution. But for 2D projects, it's exactly what you need. $12.50 today. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week, especially when that shortcut makes your water look this good. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.